Okay, let's go again. An FM cat. Cstevens, Cstevens. I just associate with Cstevens. Let's play another Sicilian main kind of thing. Maybe G3 here. It's my favourite, I think. Against this. If I play Queen D3 now, okay, Bishop F4 is looking okay. Bishop F4, surely. Okay, so D5 is weakened. Play down Bishop E3, or he's safeguarded D5 with this H6. I wondered about that myself when I played the Sicilian earlier. Safeguarding, you know, the battle over D5, really. Strategic battle. Are these dark squares a little bit weak? I'll stop use of G4 here. Just try and get into the dark squares. Mind you, Bishop C4 is a bit of a menace. At the moment, can I risk F4? Because it takes, I can take with the Queen. Oh dear, I've just lost the exchange. That's a nice tactic. Just winning the exchange. It's a shame, but if it takes and I sack another exchange at 95 or not good. If I take and take on E5, there's 95. Could do that, 97, 95. Alright, let's do that. 95, what does it achieve? 95, 97, might be 96 for King F8. So 97, 95, 95, Knight C7, King E7 though. So here, am I just getting done over? And this E6 and E5 on B7. That might be best to give this bishop scope. Rook F5 is G6. So I want to give the bishop scope. Starts casting as well. 95 Rook E1. We get into D6 or Bishop C6 or Bishop E7. Bishop B7. No, Bishop B7. So I'm a bit down the clock, right over a minute. So 95, okay, I'll take here. I'll take on B5. I'll play Bishop B5 check. So I guess this is a pretty miserable position. It's not Knight F3s anyway, so I'll play Rook E1 and hope for the best. C3 here. Knight F2 is Rook D2, so what about Rook here for a sec and then maybe Knight F2 later? Or A4, trying to get past the A pawn. C3, is that possible? Maybe Knight F2 to start off with. Just take the knight. Knight G4. Nope. I just attack that knight again. Where's it going actually? Yeah. not too hot. 1 minute 44. Looks like Ghana this position. But 1 minute 40, okay. Get my minor pieces working. Knight G4 or Knight E4, Bishop F3. What about Bishop F3, Knight E4? For a sec. I don't really want exchange of rooks. On the other hand, haven't got too much choice. We can win C4 though. So Knight G4. Simplify further. It looks pretty hopeless actually. That was a vicious tactic, Bishop C4. Yeah, I think I'm going to resign. That was just winning. Nice exchange. King, Bishop C4, maybe instructive tactic. I'll resign here. Let's have a look at that again. So I sensed Bishop C4 was a problem, but F4 makes it a huge problem. Just Bishop C4 immediately. If it takes Bishop E3, winning the Queen. It's a huge problem. So I just needed to play King H2 for F4. If I want to play F4. We'll just get the Queen out. Queen D2. Prophylaxis. Just basic prophylaxis to avoid disaster, really. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.